Welcome to Agoracom's Small Cap Breaking News.
Your daily go-to source for the best small cap headlines for over 65 million investors since 2007.
We are coming at you live with a special breaking news report.
Breaking news.
Diving into a series of kind of market-moving developments that have just hit the wire.
Just hit the wire.
In the small cap market.
That's right.
So these are the headlines investors need to know about right now.
And we got to move fast today.
Yeah, we do.
Because this is a fast-moving landscape, and you're right, we need to cut through the noise and get straight
to the point.
What could have a real impact on investment decisions.
Exactly.
So we've got a diverse set of news today.
We do.
So let's get started.
Leading the charge is First Atlantic Nickel Corp, trading on the TSX venture under the ticker FAN.
FAN.
The breaking headline.
Okay.
First Atlantic Nickel expands RPM discovery strengthening case for critical nickel resource in North America.
Ooh.
This is a major development for the company and could be a key story for those following the EV and critical mineral sectors.
Absolutely. And the emphasis on critical nickel resource in North America is particularly noteworthy, given the current geopolitical climate and the increasing demand for battery metals.
For sure.
I mean, what really stands out here are the assay results confirming a substantial zone of nickel mineralization at their RPM zone in Newfoundland.
Yeah, let's get right to those numbers.
Let's do it.
Drill hole AN2403 delivered a remarkable 216 meters, averaging 0.25% nickel and 0.29% chromium.
Wow.
But here's the kicker. This mineralized zone starts just 18 meters below the surface, potentially meaning lower initial mining costs.
Okay.
And the nickel grades actually increased with depth reaching 0.27% over the final 21 meters of the hole.
That's significant.
Yeah, for investors, this suggests a potentially expanding and richer deposit as drilling continues.
I mean, that's a significant intercept. A near-surface start combined with increasing grades at depth are precisely the kind of results that can attract investor attention.
For sure.
It hints at the potential for a large, economically viable nickel resource.
Absolutely.
Also significant is the observation of coarse-grained awaruite. That's the nickel-iron alloy they're targeting.
Yep.
Grains up to 509 microns in size could have positive implications for processing and recovery.
Interesting. And the potential scale of this discovery is becoming clearer.
Okay.
Based on visual mineralization from the initial phase 1 drilling, the RPM zone now shows a 500-meter lateral width and a 400-meter strike length.
Wow.
Importantly, assays have confirmed 300 meters of that width.
Okay.
And perhaps most compelling for future growth.
Okay.
All 4 drill holes ended in mineralization, meaning the deposit remains open in multiple directions.
That's key, isn't it?
Yeah.
The fact that they haven't yet found the boundaries of the mineralization in those drill holes leaves a lot of room for future resource expansion.
Absolutely.
Investors will be watching closely to see where phase 2 drilling takes them.
For sure. And Adrian Smith, CEO of First Atlantic Nickel, stated regarding this impressive intercept, a 216-meter mineralized interval.
Okay.
And noted it ended in increasing nickel grades within a fault zone. An extremely encouraging signal.
Ooh, a fault zone.
That increasing grade in a fault zone, as geologists know, can often be a sign of something even bigger at depth.
Exactly. Fault zones can act as pathways for the mineral-rich fluids that form these deposits.
Right.
Finding increasing grades within such a structure often suggests the potential for higher-grade cores or extensions of the mineralization.
Absolutely.
That CEO quote really underscores the geological significance of these results.
Now, switching gears to the technology sector.
Okay.
Imaflex, Inc. Trading on the TSXV under the symbol IFX as just announced, Imaflex restores operations after a cybersecurity incident reinforces digital resilience.
Cybersecurity.
While not exploration results, this is critical news for the operational stability of the company and investor confidence.
In today's environment, a cybersecurity incident is a significant risk. The headline here focuses on the positive outcome of full restoration of operations.
Right.
For investors, the speed and completeness of this recovery are key indicators of the company's preparedness.
What's particularly reassuring is that Imaflex emphasizes that manufacturing and shipping continued throughout the disruption by using temporary workarounds.
Okay.
This speaks volumes about their business continuity planning.
It absolutely does.
Yeah.
Maintaining core operations during a cyber incident demonstrates a level of resilience that can mitigate potential financial losses and maintain customer trust.
For sure.
Investors will see this as a sign of strong operational management.
And importantly, the company states that all systems and data have now been fully restored.
Good.
This suggests the incident was effectively contained and resolved, minimizing potential long-term impacts.
Precisely. The full recovery of systems and data is essential for long-term stability and security.
Right.
It signals to investors that the company has addressed the issue and is moving forward.
Back to the mining sector, we have OMI Gold Mines Corp., trading on the TSXV under OMG.
OMG.
And the OTCQB under OMGGF.
MGGF.
Their headline is generating significant buzz. OMI Gold delivers high-grade results, expands drilling at Wenot deposit in Guyana.
High-grade gold.
High-grade gold in a known mining district always drives attention.
It certainly does. And the fact that they are expanding their drill campaign supported by a strong 30 million Canadian dollar cash position underscores their confidence in the Wenot deposit's potential.
Yeah.
That financial backing is crucial for translating promising drill results into a defined resource.
For sure. Let's dive into those high-grade results.
Let's do it.
Drill hole 25 ODD 101 intercepted a stunning 10.4 grams per ton gold over 10.5 meters.
Wow.
And that's with grades capped.
Okay.
Within that interval, there was an even higher grade section hitting 28.5 grams per ton over 3.5 meters.
That's huge.
These are the kind of grades that can significantly impact project economics.
Those are exceptional grades, particularly the 28.5 grams per ton over a significant width. Right.
Such high-grade zones can dramatically improve the average grade of a deposit and potentially lead to a more profitable mining operation.
Absolutely.
The longer 10.5-meter intercept shows good continuity of this high-grade mineralization.
And the same drill hole continued to deliver intersecting 3.83 grams per ton over 18.8 meters and 2.13 grams per ton over a substantial 48.5 meters.
Wow.
Which itself included another high-grade hit of 10.34 grams per ton over 3.3 meters.
Oh my goodness.
This single hole appears to have encountered multiple significant gold-bearing zones.
Multiple mineralized zones in one hole are always encouraging.
Right.
The longer lower-grade intercepts still contribute to the overall resource potential, while the embedded high-grade sections provide significant upside in terms of potential mining revenue.
Another drill hole, 25 ODD 099, also reported noteworthy results, 3.58 grams per ton over 7.0 meters and 0.97 grams per ton over 26.0 meters, including a 2.92 grams per ton section over 5.0 meters, while perhaps not as eye-popping as hole 101.
Right. These are still solid results that contribute to the overall picture.
Absolutely. These results help to delineate the broader mineralized envelope and demonstrate the consistency of gold mineralization within the Wenot deposit.
Right.
Every successful drill hole adds valuable data for resource modeling.
Elaine Ellingham, president and CEO of OMI Gold, commented, "This new phase of drilling is yielding some of the strongest results we've seen."
Okay.
And importantly noted that these results lie outside the 2024 resource and pit shell.
Wow.
This suggests significant potential to expand their known gold resource.
That's a crucial piece of information for investors.
Yeah.
Discovering high-grade mineralization outside the currently defined resource area means the company could be sitting on a much larger and more valuable deposit than previously estimated.
Absolutely.
This could lead to a significant reevaluation of the company's potential.
Moving on to another promising gold explorer, Walker River Resources Corp., trading on the TSXV under WR. Their headline announces, Walker River expands gold footprint at Lapon Canyon with high-grade drill results.
Nevada's a hotspot.
Nevada remains a key jurisdiction for gold discoveries.
It does, and this headline hits on two key drivers for gold exploration investors.
Okay.
Expanding the known mineralization and encountering high-grade zones.
Yes.
The fact that they are eyeing a maiden resource estimate at the Lapon Gold Project in Nevada adds another layer of near-term potential.
The headline result comes from drill hole LC 24-122, which intersected an impressive 2.62 grams per ton gold over a substantial 41.1 meters.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Within this, there were higher grade sections of 6.81 grams per ton over 7.6 meters and 9.33 grams per ton over 1.5 meters.
Wow.
That's a significant width of continuous gold mineralization.
It is a very robust intercept.
Yeah.
A 41-meter width of gold mineralization at that grade can have a significant positive impact on the potential size and economics of the deposit.
For sure.
The higher grade subsections will further enhance the overall value.
They also reported encouraging results from hole LC 24-120, including 1.11 grams per ton, gold over 10.7 meters, with a higher grade portion of 5.47 grams per ton over 1.5 meters, and deeper down, 6.53 grams per ton over 24.4 meters.
Wow.
What's particularly interesting is that they are finding mineralization even outside their primary hotspot zone.
That's a potentially very significant development.
Yeah.
Finding gold mineralization in areas previously considered less prospective
Right.
suggests that the overall gold system at Lipan Canyon could be much larger than initially understood.
Absolutely.
This opens up new avenues for exploration and potential resource growth.
Michelle David, President and CEO of Walker River Resources, highlighted these encouraging results even in what is believed to be barren rock,
Okay.
emphasizing the need for considerable drilling.
So more drilling.
Yeah, it sounds like they believe they are just beginning to uncover the full potential here.
That's often the case in early stage exploration.
Yeah.
Surprising positive results outside the main target area can be a strong indicator.
Of a larger, more complex, and ultimately more valuable mineralized system.
For sure.
It certainly justifies further investment in exploration drilling.
Our penultimate breaking news item comes from Renforth Resources, Inc., trading on the CSE under RFR.
RFR.
Their headline focuses on the increasingly important battery metals sector.
Okay.
Renforth Resources advances battery metals strategy with positive metallurgical results at Victoria Project in Quebec.
Quebec.
Positive metallurgy is a critical step towards demonstrating economic viability.
Absolutely. Good metallurgical results are essential.
Yeah.
Because they show that the valuable metals present in the ore can actually be extracted and recovered efficiently.
Right.
This significantly reduces the technical risk of the project.
The key finding here is that the metallurgical testing from their Victoria nickel sulfide polymetallic project indicates the potential for metal recovery using conventional flotation methods.
Right.
They reported nickel content ranging from 0.03% to 0.27%, copper from 0.01% to 0.16%, and zinc up to 1.5%, along with significant sulfur values. The presence of these base metals, along with sulfur in a sulfide form, is important.
Yeah.
Because sulfide minerals are typically well-suited to processing via flotation.
Right.
Which is a widely used and generally cost-effective method of concentrating valuable minerals. The range of grades suggests potential for a polymetallic deposit, which can enhance overall project economics.
The crucial takeaway for investors is that the study demonstrated that liberation of copper, nickel, and zinc through flotation is indeed possible.
And that's good news.
Yeah, this is a significant de-risking event for the Victoria project.
Exactly. Proving the viability of conventional processing methods like flotation is a major step forward.
Right.
It indicates that Renforth could potentially produce saleable concentrates of these battery metals.
Yeah.
Which is essential for attracting further investment and moving towards potential development.
Nicole Brewster, President and CEO of Renforth Resources, stated, "These initial results demonstrate the recovery of saleable metals via grinding and flotation is possible at Victoria. We believe Victoria is metallurgically viable and merits continued exploration spending."
Good.
This positive assessment from the CEO underscores the importance of these findings.
Does these metallurgical results provide a strong technical justification for Renforth to continue advancing the Victoria project through further exploration and resource definition?
Finally, our last breaking news item is from Quantum Biopharma Ltd., trading on NASDAQ and the CSE under QNTM.
QNTM.
The headline announces a significant addition to their leadership. Terry Lynch joins Quantum Biopharma board, bolstering capital markets expertise and anti-manipulation leadership.
Interesting.
This is a different kind of news, focusing on corporate governance and strategic direction.
Yes, this isn't about scientific breakthroughs or exploration results.
Right.
But it's a development that could have a significant impact on the company's future.
Yeah.
Particularly in the capital markets.
For sure.
Terry Lynch brings a wealth of experience in raising capital and a well-known stance against stock manipulation.
Yeah, the company highlights his track record, including raising $50 million for Power Nickel and co-founding Cardiol Therapeutics.
Wow.
His involvement with Save Canadian Mining, an advocacy group against abusive short selling, is particularly relevant given Quantum's ongoing legal case regarding alleged stock manipulation.
Interesting.
This appointment appears to be a strategic move to strengthen their position on that front.
It certainly seems so.
Yeah.
Adding someone with Mr. Lynch's expertise and reputation could provide a significant boost to investor confidence.
Right.
Particularly for a company engaged in legal proceedings related to market activities.
Yes, absolutely.
His experience in the biotech sector and capital markets is also a valuable asset for Quantum Biopharma.
Zishan Saeed, CEO of Quantum, emphasized that Mr. Lynch's key contributions will include capital-raising experience, biotech insight, and knowledge of stock market manipulation. For his part, Terry Lynch stated he is excited to join Quantum. I respect and value the science, love the team, and believe in their quest for fairness in the capital markets. Quantum has enormous potential. A strong statement. This is a strong vote of confidence from a respected figure in the industry.
It is Mr. Lynch's endorsement and his commitment to the company's goals.
Could
be a positive signal for current and potential investors.
Yeah.
His involvement could help Quantum navigate the capital markets more effectively and strengthen their position regarding the alleged stock manipulation.
So there you have it.
Wow.
A rapid-fire update on some of the key breaking news in the small-cap market.
Absolutely.
We've covered potential game-changing nickel and gold discoveries, a resilient recovery from a cyber incident, positive steps in battery metals, and a strategic addition to a biotech company's leadership.
Yeah.
Each of these headlines points to potential value creation for investors.
Absolutely. These are the types of developments that can drive significant interest and movement in the small cap space. It underscores the importance of staying informed about these ongoing stories.
Now, for you, the listener, this has been a high-level briefing.
Yes.
Our mission here is to highlight what we see as the most compelling financial and operational results and strategic developments from these announcements.
Okay.
But this is just the beginning of your research.
Right.
We strongly encourage you to dive deeper into the specifics of each company. Examine those drill results in detail, understand the implications of the metallurgical findings, and assess the potential impact of leadership changes.
Exactly. Look beyond the headlines.
Yeah.
Read the full press releases. Review the financial statements if available.
Yeah.
And consider how these developments fit into the broader industry trends
Right.
and each company's long-term strategy.
And here's a final thought to consider as you do your own digging.
All right.
Given the rapid stream of news we've just covered, the potential scale of the nickel, find the resilience shown by Imaflex, the high-grade gold expanding known deposits, the progress in battery metal processing, and the addition of a capital markets veteran.
Wow.
What single piece of news, in your opinion, holds the most significant potential to drive future value for the respective company and its investors?
That's the critical question for you to ponder.
Yeah.
Each of these stories has its own unique potential and risks.
Right.
Your own research will help you determine which of these factors you believe will be most impactful.
Thanks for joining us for this breaking news edition of The Deep Dive.
It was a pleasure.
We'll continue to bring you the insights you need to navigate the dynamic world of